Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make text pop up and disappear on TikTok. And I'm just uploaded a video that I recorded earlier, and I'm going to click next. And when you're on this screen is how you edit the text. So I'm going to go into the upper corner here and tap on text. And let's say I type something here. And from here, you can change the style of text if you'd like. You can add in different things. Like I usually like the classic style with this solid backdrop because I think it's easy to see. Once you've typed it up, click done. Now, let's say I want to have this text pop up and then something else pop up next. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I've pinched and rearranged this. Now, once you have it where you want it, tap on it and you're going to click set duration. So essentially, I want this text to disappear, let's say at about 5 seconds in, and I want something else to pop up. Okay, and as you're playing around with this, you'll kind of listen to the sound and hear when you want the text to disappear and pop up. So I'm going to hit done for that. Next, I'm going to add in my second text here and just going to put that as the name so you can see what it is. And I'm going to go ahead and range that. Now you can already see my first piece of text is gone from the screen because I told it to leave. And for this one, I'm going to set the duration. And I want it to pop up after the first 5 seconds. So let me actually say 15 seconds there. And then you can see the ghost of the other one up on the screen. So you can see right when it leaves, that's when I want this one to pop up next. Okay, so here's how it looks. This is the first 5 seconds. I've typed something here and then next second thing here goes on the screen. Now you can add other things as well. Let's say you did want something to stay on the screen the entire time. You see that second thing went away. So you can put like a main point, if I can spell, main point up here. So I'm going to put this at the top. And let's say I want this to be a different color. So maybe this is more of the theme of the post. So let's say I put it up there. And you don't have to set any duration or anything. It'll stay up there the entire time. But if you did want to edit it, you tap it and you click set duration, and that will help you do that. Hey, before you go, if you're looking for more social media support, I've got to share our free course, which really is designed to help online business owners reduce that overwhelming feeling and actually create a social media strategy that works for you and your business. And yes, it is all free. You can find it at OnlineDrea.com/free, and it walks you through building out a social media strategy that will help move your business forward. Plus, we have some super sweet goodies in there, like done for you posts, templates, and more. So check it out at OnlineDrea.com/free. I'll see you there.